Hello everyone and welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you zebra stripe nail art design step by step guide. Animal nail arts very popular these days, especially zebra patterns are a very easy to do nail art. If you are not nail artist or not good at painting free hand designs, then also a few stripes in any shapes and sizes can create zebra patterns on your nails. Number one design is zebra floral French tip. If you like French tips, then combine them with floral water decals and some striping for the zebra pattern. A little change from normal French tips will you give it a try. Number two design is matte and gloss zebra nail art. You can create this kind of amazing matte finish nail art by either using a matte polish in black for the base point or use special matte effect transparent polish over your shiny black polish. Wait for a few seconds for it to dry and your base paint will turn matte. Style number This is not possible using normal transparent polish. Now take your striper and black normal shiny nail polish and draw zebra patterns. That's it. Your design is done. We will not use a top coat here because it will ruin this matte and gloss effect of the whole design. Try this out. Style number 3 is triple tones zebra design set in stamping and OPI glitter polish. This particular OPI glitter polish can give you an awesome look for a nail if you are a glitter fan. You need three colors with this glitter polish, or you can use loose nail art glitter on a transparent polish. If you cannot get OPI glitter polish, a high pink polish for the center and matte with off and white paint. You will also need black special polish and your stamping places. For zebra design, carefully keep the shape in mind and fill in the three colors. Finish off by stamping out the zebra design on to only the white paint. Now finish the design with transparent top coat. Style number 4 is free hand ombre zebra nails. Ombre nails are quite popular trend these days. Try out ombre from the nails like this one using two colors and piece of sponge. Draw up some zebra patterns with your black striper and finish off with a top coat. Give try this give try to this design. Give this a try to this design. Thank you very much for watching my today's tutorial about zebra nail art pattern design step by step guide. Thank you very much. Bye. Take care.